Bonnie and Clyde.
Whoa. That's fancy.
Thank you, Dad. I love it.
Whoa. Who's that one from?
Emma and Michael.
All right.
It's Anna.
Oh my goodness. Wow. And she's got Olaf with her?
Wait, it's Elsa. And there's Olaf.
Cool.
Without a nose.
What do you say to Em and Michael?
Thank you. Do Disney things. Heavy.
Oh boy. Who's the heavy one from? Is it a bowling ball?
Nina.
I'm just kidding. It's probably not a bowling.
From Nina. Yeah, Baba.
Ooh. Whoa, those are pretty. Open those up. Look what it says inside.
Love.
Love it.
And then there's a sweatshirt that goes with it.
Oh, beautiful. Sparkles. Ooh, it's a zip up. Those are awesome.
And that says love.
It's pretty.
And then there's turquoise pants.
Cute.
And that says California, 1970. And this says California, 1979.
They match.
And you say 1979. Thank you, Grandma. I love you.
Wow, beautiful. Oof. Oh boy. What next?
Okay. It's small.
Who's that from?
Auntie Maria and Angie.
What? More shoes?
These look like the ones from Cabela's that I wanted.
You wanted those? That's like they knew. Oh, they're fuzzy inside? Yeah, those are great.